In today's video, I'm going to be doing my gaming review of the brand new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out here. We have the Galaxy S26 Ultra in the house right here. We have a few different video games we're going to go ahead and test out. We have Call of Duty Mobile, we have Rainbow Six Mobile, we have Asphalt Legends, and we're going to try all of these video games on the highest graphic fidelity possible, and we're going to see how all of these run. Obviously, inside this device, we have the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 inside of here. We also have 12 gigabytes of RAM. Beautiful to see it. We have the Adreno 840 inside of here with a huge 6.9-inch display on this, so this is going to be perfect for gaming, and we have some very, very loud stereo speakers on here. Without further ado, though, let's go ahead and take a look at Asphalt Legends first and foremost. All right, everyone, so as far as our graphic quality, we have high quality set, we have 120 FPS, and we have everything on high or ultra. So let's go ahead and see how this plays on the absolute highest graphical settings. Dang. Extremely loud speakers on here. Very clear, very nice sounds coming from those speakers. Gaming is going to be great on here. So as far as Asphalt Legends goes, you're going to have no issues. There's no glitches or anything going on here. It's going to look like PS5 graphics, honestly. It looks great. Next up, we have Call of Duty Mobile. And as far as that graphic quality, we are going to be set to max on frame rate and max graphic quality as well. Let's go ahead and see how this looks, though. All right, everyone. So shadows and graphics look absolutely excellent on here. Huge display to play this video game on, too. This is absolutely insane. If you guys want the ultimate gaming phone, the S26 Ultra is going to be that phone for you. And also, you can go up to 1 terabyte of space and 16 gigabytes of RAM on here as well. So if you really need all that storage and RAM to have the best possible experience in gaming, that's going to be even better. I don't know how much better it's going to be because it's already really good. But yeah, game's running like a charm right now. Ah.
Enemy UAV spotted. Enemy XS-1 Goliath is coming. Enemy XS-1 Goliath is landing. Destroy enemy's XS-1 Goliath. Hostile Predator missile inbound. Hunter killer drone ready for deployment.
So yeah, Call of Duty Mobile on the highest graphic quality works absolutely perfect on this. All right, everyone, finally we have Rainbow Six Siege playing right here at the highest graphic fidelity. So graphic quality is going to be set to ultra, frame rate's going to be set to 60. Let's go ahead and see how this plays right now.
Activated device. Enemies on their way. Defend the bomb sites. Device placed.
prime. Stand clear. Reloading. Real hostiles detected.
Hostiles are spotted offensive.
Swapping mags.
The enemy knows your position.
Loading new magazine.
1 minute remaining. Keep it tight, people. The enemy knows your position. Just one enemy left. That victory was
There we
well
go.
earned, people. You should be proud.
All right, guys. So yeah, S26 Ultra plays Rainbow Six Siege completely fine right now, and it looks excellent. It honestly looks really, really good. Also, the graphic quality, I had to change the graphic quality from low to high on the S26 and S26 Plus, but for the S26 Ultra, it put it on Ultra and 60 FPS by default. So there you go, guys. The Galaxy S26 Ultra plays all of these games completely well on the highest graphic quality. So if you guys want a gaming beast of a phone, the S26 Ultra is really one of the best out there. Also, really haven't had any heating issues at all. It got a little bit warm playing on this for about an hour, but nothing too crazy. Overall, gaming obviously is going to work perfectly fine on this for essentially any game you can think of. Emulation, I'm sure, is going to work great on here as well, all the way up to PlayStation 2. And PSP and GameCube, of course, are going to play completely fine. So very, very impressive device right here. Love what I'm seeing. Let me know in the comment section down below how you feel about this device. This has been Safan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.